Hi guys, Jayant here, and in this video we'll be talking about how you can start your own e-commerce business with little to no money. We'll be talking about different tips, tricks and strategies that you can take if you have a very low budget for your own marketing. So without any further ado, let's get started. If you're starting out, you may not have a lot of budget with you to go ahead and market your products. Facebook ads, let's be honest, it costs a little bit of money to get started. So there are certain ways that you can take that which can help you get your first sale. The method that I'm talking about right now is called influencer marketing. So there are about 5 basic ways of getting traffic to your websites or your e-commerce stores or your product pages. First method is paid traffic. It can be Facebook ads, it can be Instagram ads from social media. Second is search traffic, traffic from Google, traffic from let's say any other search engine. If you are an Amazon seller, Amazon search engine, that also can happen. If you are selling on Amazon, that's paid traffic essentially. Third is SEO traffic. If you are very heavy on search engine optimization, definitely not write a lot of blogs and rank your website high, and you'll get a lot of free traffic out of it, right? Fourth method is through your email list. If you have a good email list, if you have built up an email list, then you can easily use that to create your own, bring traffic to your own stores. And the fifth method is Instagram influencer, or like influencer marketing in general. The psychology behind influencer marketing is pretty interesting. Many of us have something called as authority bias. If someone at a position of authority advises us to do something, we tend to do it because they have more experience than us and they know more stuff than us. And this is why this is a very interesting avenue to work with. Now, how do you start with, let's say, zero money? I'll never say zero money because you have to still pay the price of sourcing the product. You have to still pay the hosting price, the Shopify plans or anything that you take. But at least the marketing cost can initially be zero. And the way to start is for you to find out influencers that are just growing. So there are influencers that are highly successful, like they have like more than 1 lakh followers. People there are influencers with thousands of followers. Ideally, I would go for influencers who are just growing. I call them nano influencers, who have like a couple of thousand followers, not a lot, but a couple thousand followers with them, and they will just. The reason why I go for them is because they are growing channel. They want to have more and more content. They want to have more and more engagement, and they do provide a lot of value to their their audience, and they do keep their audience engaged for a very long time, because there is a good relationship when you are starting out. As you grow, the scalability kicks in, and the engagement rate kind of goes down, but initially the engagement rate is very high. So I kind of try to find such influencers who have a couple thousand subscribers, not above 10,000, below 5,000 only. And what I would do is I would strike a deal with them, and the deal goes like this. I will give you my product. It's basically a barter system. I'll give you my product. I'll give the influencer my product, and all they have to do is to promote that product in front of their audience. And here it can happen in 2 ways. One, either they can keep the product and that's it. They just promote our product, make a reel, make a post, and put them in their stories and like try to promote it. The other way of doing is to actually incentivize the system, like give them some sort of affiliate commission. For example, let's say if I am an influencer and some company asks me, Jayant bhai, please promote my product, I would say I would expect them to give me a coupon code, like let's say Giants20. So whoever signs up through Giants20, they get a 20% discount. And what the company does is, company can track how many people have signed up using that particular coupon code, and they can pay me accordingly. Let's say you have 100 products and I helped you sell 100 products. My customers got 20% discount, and on top of it I got, let's say, a little bit of commission. Let's say 10% commission on everything. With that I earn a little bit of money. You are happy because you are selling and you did not have to give me any upfront cost, and basically your product sold. And once you have that capital in, you can invest in ads, you can invest in more influencers, or you can invest in building an email list or any other traffic channels out there. So this is a strategy. This is a very evergreen strategy that you can use, because people will always keep buying on recommendation. In fact, recommendations are very big criteria of decision making, and you can always leverage influencer marketing to get some extra sales. So I hope that helped you out, and if you got some value out of this call, please comment value in the comment box. And yeah, do subscribe to my email list. Check out my WhatsApp group link. You can sign up for my WhatsApp group, where we can talk, where we explore a lot of e-commerce stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope that helped you, and let me know if you have any questions as well. And like, share, subscribe, whatever the kids say these days.